Hey Bennington boat lovers, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I had the pleasure of showing you a brand new Bennington that we just got in. This one is a limited edition. It's the USA 250th Anniversary Edition. This boat is in the white panel color. We've got these really cool red and blue graphics with some stars in the back over there. This is a 23 MSB. It's a 2027 model boat, but I got some cool features to show you. Check out the front here. We've got our unique USA 250th emblem. We've got a red Bennington logo up there in the front of that entry gate. This is a tri-tune with the SPS package. And with it being the sport package, we've got our integrated dock and nav lights, pop-up Bennington cleats. Let's go down to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey, Bennington at the back of the 2027 23 MSB. This is the limited 250th USA Anniversary Edition. We've got the extended aft deck here. We've got our American flag mounted right there. This boat has a 250 horsepower Mercury. We've also got a ski tow bar, some underwater lights down below, and our lily pad ladder over here on the starboard side. This ladder is super easy to retrieve and deploy as it's spring assisted and has super wide steps, making it easy to board. Let's hop inside and look at some more features. Hey guys, we're up here in the bow of the 23 MSB. As you can see, the USA 250th Anniversary Edition has some really cool colors on the inside. We've got a white upholstery with blue stitching and some red piping, as well as some red Bennington logos. Super cool look. These front chase lounges are on the roto-molded seat bases like all of our Benningtons. We've got some cup holders and phone chargers tucked away down there in the lumbar area. There's a table that is center line, and since this is an M series, we do have fold down armrests on all of our chase lounges. In the center here, we've got in-floor storage, and then over here at the helm we've got a lot of storage up underneath there. This is lockable under there as well. Speaking of the helm, this is the raised helm. It's got a unique tread pattern down here below for this sport package, as well as this really cool captain's chair that has the red piping, blue accents, and red Bennington logo here. We've got another USA 250th edition emblem down here on the dash. And up front, we've got a 12-inch Vivid UX screen. This is gonna have all of our running stats. This one also has the integrated mapping in it as well. We've got a 7-inch Vivid UX screen down here for all of our digital switching and our radio controls. And then over here, our binnacle is perfectly placed right above the armrest to make it super comfortable and ergonomic to operate. We also have a tilt steering wheel and a phone charger that's tucked up underneath this Vivid UX screen up top. Over here on the port side, we have a pull-out trash can, flip up tabletop, and for you dog lovers, we've got a pull-out doggy bowl down below. We also have a really cool wine rack here, and moving back, you can see we have a matching co-captain's chair. And then in the rear of this boat, we have the swing back. As I mentioned, this is an MSB, so we have the swing back here. This swing back is super cool because we have multiple different positions we can sit in. We can sit forward facing. And since this is a co-captain's chair boat, we can lower this all the way down. We can pop up these backrests here and face forward. And if you'd like, you can also pop up these rear-facing backrests and fold this main backrest back and sit back to back. So there's a lot of cool options there. In the back of this boat, we also have our retractable keeper rail. So if you want to face rearward while you're underway, you can pop this bad boy up and then you're legal. And this boat also has our power Bimini top, which is controlled by that 7-inch Vivid UX screen. Guys, this is a really cool, one-of-a-kind boat. If you have any questions about it or you'd like to come see it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville showroom.